That's not bad. Don't worry about it.
That's like ham radioactivity.
Yeah, just the radio inside of it.
My son's got to do an egg drop in his school.
Yeah, we can give him a few hints.
Maybe you can drop it from 100,000 feet. Oh, he grabbed it. Yeah, pull on it. Feel free to. It may break, so. Oh, yeah. Hi. Do we just want him to drop it? Oh, yes? He's going to cut it. We can just leave the parachute here. I mean, it's not worth getting the parachute.
Yeah, I just don't want to leave junk up in there.
No, I know. I mean, you could.
If he can keep going.
Yeah, if you can. Oh, all right, watch out. Oh, that's quite nice.
All the balloons going up through the dirt.
Nice.
Cut this one more time and I think it'll go. No problem. There we go. Ready?
Yeah.
Up and down.
Watch out. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right.
Yep.
Oh, we're stuck on that branch now.
Yeah.
Oh, watch out. There we go.